Hemp runs deep in my blood. I'm a fifth-generation farmer. My farm has been in my family for over 100 years. My great-grandfather was commissioned by the government to grow hemp for the war. It makes me proud to be able to grow something now and carry on a legacy that was started a long time ago. 3 years ago, I was the first farmer to receive a hemp license to grow hemp in Boyle County. The past 3 years have given me the experience I needed to grow the best product possible for Sweetbrier hemp. Kentucky is known for two things, racehorses and bourbon. It'll soon be known for hemp as well. The reason why is because our water is filtered naturally through limestone rock in the ground. It actually purifies the water, making it as clean as possible. Our farm actually sits on the largest underground reservoir in the area. Kentucky is lucky. We have all this tobacco infrastructure, and we're using that and just slightly modifying it to work better with hemp. By doing it the way we do it, we're retaining all of the cannabinoids, all the terpenes. It just makes for the best product possible. Sweetbrier is one of the few companies that you can track from start to finish, from our seed to our oil. It starts here and it ends here. Our plants are unique because of our cannabinoid profile. They have both CBD and CBG in them. CBG is known as the stem cell of cannabinoids because it converts and turns into all of your major cannabinoids. I grew up in a military family. My dad is a general in the Air Force. I'm very familiar with the military and everything that they do for us in keeping us safe, as well as the law enforcement. One of my goals with our crop is to give back to our law enforcement, veterans, and active duty military that have given so much to us to keep us safe. You know what they say, hemping ain't easy. I definitely couldn't do this alone. My team has been instrumental in getting this crop to where it is and getting it to where it needs to be. Mr. Dees has been a great partner. He's given me the support and the motivation that I need to make Sweetbrier hemp a success. We've grown this crop organically to make a product that I know that I would want to give to my dad and Mr. Dees and the rest of the country. I see hemp being a big industry in America. I see it as a way for me to support my family and for other farmers to support their families and keep their farms in their families for generations to come. This has been 3 years in the making, and I'm excited that I finally have a crop that I'm ready to share with the world.